Welcome back to Make the Machines. On today's episode, we'll be building a shed in the back for my cougar. But before we get to that, quick update on my panel. She's covered up for the winter because it's quite rainy out right now. It's raining every other day, so I got her covered up. And the last thing I have to do on that would be my hood. You know, it sticks up quite a bit above the hood. So there's my air cleaner here and the tarp, and then the hood shuts down here. So I got some lift, but I gotta cut it up, modify it, and I'm not gonna be doing that here because that's a little bit, because I need some special tools. That helps out a lot. So I'm gonna be doing a cowl induction, making my own cowl induction out of this, but that's for a later video. Right now we're going to the back. And we're back to the back here with my cougar. It's been sitting back here untouched since the last video I done. My primer's rusting over. That's no good. You can see it's quite cloudy out today. No rain today, so I'm gonna get my little shelter half for it built up. Because unfortunately, you see she's full of water and leaves. So I gotta clean her out. I gotta clean out my pathway again. What? We gotta do some cleaning. So rebuild my little structure. First things first, I gotta sweep it all down. Alright, so I got a little pressure washer there. I'm going to use to give everything a good rinsing down, clean it off some, get the dirt and all the dust, sand from when I sandblasted this thing years ago out of here. So let's give everything a little cleaning. Alrighty, so got the pressure washer, clean up the floor, all the dirt and the leaves out of here. You can see it's quite stained down, but pressure washer's not strong enough to clean all that clean off. Mostly clean back here, still a little green tint and mold and whatnot. That's gonna take forever using that little one trying to clean it all off. I am gonna pressure wash out the inside. Not yet though. I'm gonna do that. First I'm gonna put in my tent because I'm running out of daylight. And I gotta make sure that's still gonna work. So let's go get the tent. and start putting it together. Alright, so this is what I have. A little 10 by 30 cabana deal. So I'm gonna build it, put it up over, put it all together. So here we go. Took a little bit, but we got our little cabana head set up. So I'm going to tie this roof up here so it runs off to the sides instead of running out to the front of the car, because you don't want that. And also has walls for the tent that I can put on. Block wind. I'm going to try and keep this side open, because the wind usually blows from this direction. And then I got tires to hold it down on the back here. I'm gonna throw drums on this middle one here, and then I'm gonna tie this here to the poles. For the roof, it really has no way to get tied down other than I'm gonna rope it over there, tie it up. Best abilities, it'll work for what I need. It's definitely not going to be a permanent situation here. Alrighty. Alright, so it's raining on and off all day today, I'm sure. But for the most part, this worked out pretty well, other than the center here, which I can't tie up or anything, so it's dripping on there. And then the walls are holding on, other than a few spots. Well, they Velcro on, they're ripping apart, so I already ripped off the bottom here and the middle in this one. So I expected it wasn't going to survive the wind too much, but this is replaceable. I just get a tarp and put that over for next year, but the frame's held up pretty well. I did have this section here come apart, but I don't think it was clipped in all the way, so I'll let it go again. Other than that, my little roof kept most of the stuff dry. So, other than the front here, but can't do much because tarp's like that. So, unless I make a little rain gutter system for the front of it. But yeah, so that's my little teepee cabana I had made up, and that should work out pretty well for winter. For the rest of the winter. Already halfway through it. So with that, you know, thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed, and as always, you'd be so kind to like, comment, and subscribe. On to the next video, we're going to be getting back onto my poor neglected cougar again. Because, well, I'm at a point on this panel where I'm gonna have to be for a while. Now this will keep me dry so I can work out through the rain and everything. And keep videos coming. So I'll be back in the next one. Until then, have a good one.